Hey, welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike. Today, great recipe, coconut chicken tenders. We got 1.5 pounds of chicken tenders. That's actually 11 pieces. We're gonna dredge them in some seasoned flour and then in some egg wash. Now the egg wash, I'll tell you how to make it in a second. And then we have panko breadcrumbs mixed in with some coconut, some shredded coconut. And then we have some seasonings gonna go in here. Everything will be in the description. And when they're done, we're gonna dip them in this orange marmalade that we're gonna season up with some caliente hot sauce and some horseradish. Man, it's gonna be delicious. So let's get started making it. We're gonna season up our orange marmalade. It's right out of the fridge. It's a little cool, but we're gonna take a teaspoon of horseradish and a few dashes of some caliente hot sauce, which is really made from Tabasco peppers. And we're gonna mix that in real good. Oh man, let me give it a little taste real quick. You know, it's delicious. It's got a little bitty kick from the horseradish and a little heat from the hot sauce. Perfect. I'm not gonna do anything else with that. We're gonna put it off to the side. And now we're gonna season the flour. That's the first thing we're gonna do. We have about 1.5 tablespoons of salt and pepper mixed, granulated garlic, some granulated onion. That's 1 tablespoon each. And we're gonna mix together all of those ingredients with the flour. And then we have seasoned, well, we didn't actually season the egg wash, but let me tell you, we got 3 eggs and we have about 1/4 cup of half and half, or you can use milk if you like. Over here, we have 1.5 cups of shredded coconut, along with about 1 cup of panko breadcrumb. We're gonna mix that together, and we'll get our oil going. It'll be up to 350, and then we're gonna take our chicken and start getting it in the fryer. Man, it's gonna be good. We have our chicken ready. We're gonna go in with the chicken. Let's do a couple at a time here, okay? And we'll get them dredged in the flour. Dredge them real good. You want them coated in flour real good. The next thing is we'll put them in the egg wash. And we'll flip them around and get them coated real good on both sides. Then we'll go into our batter here. And we'll coat it real good with that panko and the coconut. It's gonna be good, good, good. Watch how these things come out. Now I'm actually going to give them a little squeeze because that's how I want them to look. Okay? Now I'm just gonna put these here on this plate. And when I get them all done, we're gonna go right to the fryer. We're not up to 300 degrees yet. All righty. Look at that, how pretty, that's awesome. Let me get the rest of them done. All the chicken is finished, all the coatings are there, so the oil is up to about 338, 340. That's fine. We're gonna start putting them in very slowly. And we'll fry them until they're golden brown. I can't wait until these are finished. We're going to go ahead and finish frying the rest of these. And before we do our taste test, the chicken came out perfect. I'm telling you, it's nice and dark and crunchy. Now I cannot wait to just dip that chicken in that beautiful sauce. The mouth is running water. The chicken's white on the inside. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to tell you I like this better than coconut shrimp, but this is still very, very good. So if you can't eat shrimp, you can have chicken, and the chicken tenders are so tender. Thank you again so much for tuning into the Sanders Kitchen. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That way you know when we come out with all our new videos. I hope you have a great 4th of July weekend. Stay safe, and we'll see you back when we do our next great video. God bless you. Let me do that again. Babies are crispy and looking good. We're going to add, nope, we're not adding. We're going to dip them in the dressing. No, let me say that again. We have some orange.